While many of us often think of ATVs strictly as outdoor recreational vehicles, for those with larger properties, they can also serve as vital utility vehicles. When equipped with attachments like a snowplow, an ATV can become a crucial tool for jobs like clearing large driveways after a heavy snowfall. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best ATV plow in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Warn Pro Vintage 54-inch straight plow blade. Sturdy construction and several size options make this plow blade from Warn a great option for a variety of plowing jobs. The blade consists of 12-gauge steel and includes ribbing reinforcement, so it won't bend even under heavy or wet snow. With 5 size options ranging from 54 inches to 72 inches, the blade is a suitable choice for smaller and larger properties. In addition to its heavy-duty construction, the blade is designed to tilt forward when impacting an immovable object to prevent damage to the blade or ATV. A pivot mounting system allows the user to angle the blade in either direction while a wear bar protects the blade's edge. A non-stick powder coating prevents snow from caking on the blade. Product specs. Number 2. KFI Products SNOplow ATV Plow. Buying a snowblade accessory for an ATV is an investment, but KFI makes it less of one with a price that's more affordable than most other snowplows. It features a 48-inch blade that attaches to the ATV with a hybrid mount. With its 14-gauge steel construction, the Snow Devil isn't as thick as other blades, but it's still strong enough to handle most jobs. The blade can be set to push snow straight on or at angles up to 25 degrees. A large wear bar protects the lower edge of the blade along with 2 adjustable blade guards. Number 3. Extreme Max Uni-Plow ATV Plow. With a uni-mount system that fits more than 90% of the ATVs on the market, this model from Extreme Max is a great universal snow plow option. The plow blade spans 50 inches, making it ideal for small to medium-sized jobs. Heavy-duty skid pads and a steel wear bar make this plow one of the more durable models on the market. It's easy to install thanks to a quick-release mechanism that attaches and detaches by removing or inserting just 2 pins. 5 angle positions that can be set through a pin system allow the user to set the blade to different angles to suit the job. Number 4. Kolpin ATV Switchblade Plow. While the long 60-inch length of this snowplow blade makes it suitable for larger driveways, its adjustability makes it a great option for smaller jobs, too. This plow's stamped steel design allows the user to adjust it to widths of either 48 inches or 60 inches, making it more versatile than most other blades on the market. The adjustable blade changes to 5 angles to suit different jobs, while a large skid pad and ample steel wear bar protect the bottom of the blade. The plow also detaches easily from the mounting plate thanks to a 2-pin design. Number 5. Boar Snowplow ATV Kit. The Boar beats out other snowplow kits when it comes to versatility thanks to the broad range of adjustments it offers. Whereas most other snowplows have 5 or 6 angles up to 25 degrees, the Boar has 9 positions and can reach angles up to 30 degrees on either side. The Boar is also easy to install and uninstall thanks to 2 quick-release pins that hold it to the mounting bracket. Its 14-gauge powder-coated steel construction is sturdy for its 48-inch width. It's also equipped with a reversible wear blade that the user can flip over when one side wears out, doubling its lifespan. That was our list of the top 5 best ATV plow in 2023 just for you.